Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. OpenAI API Stream Mode Delimiter Errors, a comprehensive guide. When working with OpenAI's API in stream mode, you might encounter errors related to delimiters. These errors typically arise when you're expecting a certain format in the streamed responses, like json objects separated by a specific delimiter, and that format isn't consistently provided. This guide will delve deep into understanding these errors, why they happen, how to identify them, and, most importantly, how to prevent and handle them gracefully. Understanding OpenAI API Stream Mode. Before tackling delimiter issues, let's recap what stream mode is and why it's beneficial. Non-streaming, traditional mode. The API processes your entire request and then sends back the complete response in one go. This can lead to delays, especially for long-running tasks. Streaming mode. The API sends back partial results as they become available. You receive the response in chunks, called deltas or events. This is more efficient, especially for chat applications or tasks where you want to display progress in real time. Why use streaming? Improved user experience. Users see responses as they are generated, making the interaction feel more responsive and natural. Reduced latency. No need to wait for the entire generation process to complete before displaying anything. Memory efficiency. Useful for large outputs, as you don't need to store the entire response in memory before processing. Early error detection. In some cases, you might be able to detect and handle errors earlier in the stream, preventing wasted computation. The role of delimiters in stream mode. When you expect a specific format like a sequence of JSON objects in your streamed responses, delimiters become crucial. A delimiter is a special character or string that separates individual parts of the response. For example, you might expect the API to send multiple JSON objects, each representing a part of a story or a summary, separated by a new line character, \n. The problem occurs when the OpenAI API doesn't adhere to this expected format perfectly. This could happen due to 1. Unexpected formatting from the API. The API might sometimes deviate from the expected format. For example, it might include a new line character within a JSON object or simply not send a delimiter between objects. 2. Complex use cases and fine-tuning. Complex prompts or fine-tuned models are more prone to producing unexpected outputs that break the delimiter assumptions. 3. Error handling in the API. While rare, the API itself might introduce unexpected characters or format deviations during error scenarios. Common scenarios leading to delimiter errors. 1. Expecting JSON objects separated by new lines. This is a classic scenario where you assume each line of the streamed response is a complete, valid JSON object. Potential issues. The model might generate a multi-line poem where each line is not a valid JSON object on its own. The new line character might be embedded within the JSON string. The model might forget to send the line _number and text keys for all lines. The model could introduce unexpected characters that break JSON parsing. 2. Expecting a custom delimiter. You might use a custom delimiter like end_object to signal the end of each response unit. Potential issues. The model might forget to include the end_object delimiter after each animal name. The delimiter might appear within the animal names themselves due to the randomness of generation. The model might generate unexpected witty space around the delimiter. Identifying delimiter errors. Here's how you can detect delimiter errors in your streaming code. 1. JSON decode error. for JSON-based responses. This exception signals that you're trying to parse an invalid JSON string. The error message will often give you clues about where the parsing failed. 2 String manipulation errors *. If you're using custom delimiters and string splitting, you might encounter errors like value error if split doesn't find the expected delimiter. 3 Incomplete or unexpected output *. Your application might display partial results or unexpected characters, indicating that the stream is not being processed correctly. 4 Logging and debugging *. Add detailed logging to your streaming code to print each chunk received from the API, the contents of your buffer, and the results of any parsing operations. Use a debugger to step through your code and examine the values of variables at each stage. Preventing and handling delimiter errors, best practices. Here's a comprehensive strategy for dealing with delimiter errors in OpenAI API stream mode. 1 Prompt engineering is key *. Be explicit *. Craft prompts that clearly instruct the model to use the desired delimiters and formatting. For example, if you want JSON objects separated by new lines, explicitly say so. Generate 3 JSON objects representing animal facts, separated by new line characters, \n. Each object should have the key's name, species, and habitat. Provide examples. Include examples of the desired format directly in your prompt. For instance, constraints. Add explicit constraints to the format. Each JSON object must be a single line. There must not be new lines within the JSON object. 2 Robust parsing and error handling *. Incremental JSON parsing, using libraries like json.json decoder instead of trying to parse the entire buffer at once, use an incremental JSON parser. This allows you to process valid JSON objects as they arrive in the stream, even if the stream is incomplete or contains errors. Error handling within the loop. Wrap your parsing logic in try, except blocks to catch JSON decode error or other exceptions. Log the errors and decide how to proceed. Example: discard the problematic chunk, attempt to repair it, or stop processing. Fallback mechanisms. If a chunk consistently fails to parse, consider implementing a fallback mechanism. This might involve discarding the chunk, attempting to correct simple errors, example adding missing quotes, or using a less strict parsing method. 3 Post-processing and validation *. Schema validation *. After parsing a JSON object, validate it against a predefined schema, using libraries like JSON schema. This ensures that the object has the expected keys and data types. Data cleaning *. Apply data cleaning techniques to remove unexpected characters, trim witty space, or correct common formatting errors. 4 Custom delimiter handling *. Robust splitting logic *. Use regular expressions or more advanced string processing techniques to split the stream based on your custom delimiter. Handle cases where the delimiter might be at the beginning or end of the stream or might be escaped. Escaping if your custom delimiter might appear within the generated content, implement an escaping mechanism, example / to represent a literal. Handle escaping in your parsing logic. 5 Rate limiting and error backoff *. Implement rate limits *. Avoid overwhelming the OpenAI API with requests, as this can lead to errors and throttling. Exponential backoff *. If you encounter API errors, use an exponential backoff strategy to retry the request after a delay that increases with each failed attempt. This gives the API time to recover. 6 Monitoring and alerting *. Track error rates. Monitor the frequency of delimiter errors in your application. Set up alerts to notify you if the error rate exceeds a certain threshold. Log detailed error information. Capture as much information as possible about each error, including the prompt, the partial response, and the stack trace. This will help you diagnose and fix the underlying issues. 7. Choose the right model and parameters. Experiment with models. Different OpenAI models might exhibit different formatting behaviors. Experiment with different models to see which one produces the most consistent and reliable output for your use case. Temperature and top_p. Adjust the temperature and top_p parameters to control the randomness and creativity of the model. Lower values tend to produce more predictable outputs. Frequency and presence penalties. Use the frequency_penalty and presence_penalty parameters to discourage the model from repeating itself or using certain words or phrases. This can help improve the overall quality and consistency of the generated content. 8. Testing. Unit tests. Write unit tests to verify that your parsing and error handling logic works correctly. Integration tests. Create integration tests that simulate real-world scenarios and test the entire streaming pipeline, from sending the request to processing the response. Edge cases. Pay special attention to testing edge cases, such as empty responses, very long responses, and responses with unexpected characters. Example of a more robust stream processing function. This example combines several of the techniques discussed above. Key improvements in the process_stream_robust function. Error counting and limiting. Stops processing after a certain number of consecutive errors to prevent infinite loops. Key error handling. Addresses potential key error exceptions if the expected keys are missing in the response chunk. Schema validation. Includes optional schema validation to ensure data conforms to expectations. Handles empty strings. Ignores any empty string generated from the split operation. Final buffer processing. Handles any data remaining in the buffer after the stream completes. Clearer error messages. Provides more informative error messages, including the problematic chunk. Handles unexpected exceptions. It includes more general exception handling to prevent the whole process from crashing because of unforeseen events. In conclusion, dealing with delimiter errors in OpenAI API stream mode requires a combination of careful prompt engineering, robust parsing logic, and comprehensive error handling. By following the best practices outlined in this guide, you can build more resilient and reliable streaming applications that provide a better user experience. Remember to always log and monitor your application to identify and address any issues as they arise. Good luck.